6% incredibly big moves.
No, I'm trying to record her saying it. I'm trying to record her saying, oh, she's eating now. She won't say it. Mia, can you say hi, Dada? Friday morning in December. I think it's the 22nd. I'll double check. She's pointing to Herbie. No, you got a little bit left. It's a little bit left. You can do it, okay? Mia, say hi, Dada. Ian, you can do it, okay? Mia, I'm trying to get you to say hi, Dada. Say hi, Dada. Say hi, Dada. No, hi, Dada. I'm coming to tickle you. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Cheese.
Say, can you say pizza?
Pizza.
A is for
Apple.
B is for Ian, are you drinking?
I put very
No, hi, Dada.
I drank some. Now it was way over here.
No, I put only half. Not even half. Little less than half. And I don't want to drink too much.
The administration stopped only 5
Ian, did you finish your bread?
are affected and will see the current.
He's got a little bit of bread, okay?
I just want to drink. I'm
You
in that mood.
finish the sausage. You like the sausage?
Hey,
What?
what are you doing?
I'm recording.
Could I say something?
Yeah, say something. What do you want to say?
How do you do, Daddy?
What are you gonna?
Who, are you gonna send this to anyone?
Yeah,
Who?
maybe to your kindergarten teacher.
What?
What do you want to say? What are you gonna say on the loudspeaker today?
The office is going to say my name,
Right.
and I'll say what I'm thankful for.
What are you thankful for?
For my parents and my house.
What about Amachi? You say family.
For my family.
All right. Let me go get ready to take you, okay?